Hey everyone, it's your girl Maya and I hope you're excited for another art video. Do you want to learn how to do an easy DIY painting project to pass the time? Well, keep on watching and you will learn how to paint this. To create this painting, you will need 5 colors, which are white, orange, yellow, red, and green. And the paintbrushes that you will need are of course your 2-inch paintbrush and your small one. Now let's start creating. I first added the color orange on the bottom of the canvas and then yellow on the top and blended those 2 colors together. The next step I did was cut out the stencil I'd be using and traced it onto the canvas. Once I was done tracing the stencil, I went ahead and drew some tropical leaves on the left-hand side of the canvas in order to fill in that empty space. When I was done drawing the tropical leaves, I went ahead and painted the face yellow and gave it 3 layers of paint. And then I started to paint the outer layer of the tropical leaves. When I saw the painting the next day, I didn't like the color I used for the tropical leaves, so I went back and painted the outer layer of them in a light green. Once I was done with that, I painted the inside of the leaves of the lighter green. And this is what I love about art, because you can make as many mistakes as you need and you can always go back and create it the way you want it to be. Thanks everyone for creating this painting with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to watch more art videos that will be coming once a week on Fridays. Okay, thank you, take care, and I'll see you next time. Do you want to learn how to do an easy DIY painting project to pass the time? Well, keep on watching and you will learn how to paint this. Oh my god, it's upside down. That's why you're gonna break your car.